a second, give it a second. Working, not working? Alright everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world and analysts, right? This is Mike, the FX boss, and this is the professional Forex trading course, right everybody? As always, if you want to be a professional trader or funded trader, you know, some of you are looking to be a hedge fund trader, alright? Here are our partners. Number one, of course, it's Dukascope Investment Bank. And then we have trading.com through Morris Capital Australia and Darwin X Zero, right? More about this in the end of the session today. So we are in the Forex trading week, everybody. Never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. So are you building your charts? Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. Now you don't need to have an edge, don't worry. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. So we are working basically on number three right now, right? Please disclaimer, these webinars are not, the streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn and for questions and homeworks, because this is a course, you have my Gmail and Skype too. And if you didn't receive the free manual, send me an email, alright? That's the free manual, courtesy of the student Shola and Ernesto, everybody. Yeah, it's for free, it doesn't cost you, alright? On the road to becoming a professional trader. And you know the picture, right? First the analyst, right? First the analyst, then the trader. Alright everybody, from yesterday, Melissa and give me a second, there you go. This is Melissa's trade, this is Sam's trade, alright? So remember everybody, we are here to learn, and from yesterday, give me a second, you know, the Forex trading week, it's all about us implementing what we have learned so far into the live market, right? Oh, this is classes. Alright everybody, type in the chat a currency pair you want to trade. You can ask for any currency pair, you can ask for any time frame, alright? There is no right or wrong. Just remember the process, alright? So one more time, as for yesterday, what we're trying to accomplish here, so the process for the Forex trading week is number one, buy or sell, type in the chat, YouTubers too, buy or sell, number two, what time frame, number three, what pattern, number four, where the stop loss number. Don't tell me, oh, above the previous high, I need a number, stop loss number, and take profit number. Alright everybody, that's the process. Sandy, USD CAD 4 hours, short and long, alright. Sandy, stop loss and take profit if you would be so kind. So I'm going to clone chart and USD CAD. Broto, my friend, how are you, Broto? Long time no see. Long time no see. Broto, I have a very good news for you. I'm great, thank you very much. Everybody who lives in Thailand, Philippines, Brazil, I have a good news for you, alright? I'm partnering up with an asset manager who is very, very, very cheap. I have attempted several times to join this webinar, but the time zone difference always makes me feel sleepy. It's currently 10 p.m. Alright, all good. All good, not a problem. USD CAD 4-hour chart, hedge fund trader Sandy. I need the stop loss and I need the take profit level. By the way, everybody, I'm not sure if I told you, I'm going to host the Fibonacci Trading Masterclass. We start Saturday, February 17. Alright? And don't worry about the cost if you are from the lower countries like Brazil or Philippines or Nigeria. You just take 10 out, alright? $1,000 it's for Canada, you know, USA, Australia, alright, $1,000. Otherwise it's 100 for Philippines, Brazil, Thailand, and of course Forex course Choo students have 70% off. Sandy says, alright, so let's go to Sandy's trade and give me a second. So I'm going to alright, so conditions, we're going to buy at market and stop loss not in, price 1 point, what is the stop, 1.3450, and take profit is going to be at 1.36250. alright, submit orders. Alright, Sandy, you are in. What about everybody? Sandy, stop loss might be in the wrong place. Hedge fund trader Sandy, stop loss might be in the wrong place, everybody. Alright? And Sandy, why are you going just 1 for 1? Alright, so I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. And we talked about yesterday, everybody. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. You're going to be sick and tired of me telling you stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded, right? So if this is the 4-hour chart, right? And I start to connect highs and lows, you know, high, low to high, to low to high, to low to high, low, high, low, high, low, not all of them, high to low to, it's kind of messy, high to low to high to low to high to low to high. Sandy, your stop loss is here, but your stop loss should be down here. Oh, take profit near the pivot point, alright? So with a lower risk and aggressive stop loss. Aggressive stop loss doesn't work, alright? Unless you are a skilled scalper, aggressive stop loss won't work for you. Make sense? Everybody listen to the father, right? Listen to your father, which is me in this case. Look what you're doing, Sandy. This is the uptrend. Look what you're doing. This is the uptrend. Not judging anybody, this is how we learn. This is the uptrend. And if for any reason the market starts reversing, your stop loss is exactly at past support of this uptrend. Can you see it, Sandy? Your stop loss is exactly at past support of this uptrend. So the market can easily stop you out, bounce at past support and go back up. Stop loss as a dynamic downtrend. Everybody listen to me, alright? Listen to me. Please, I beg you. In the Forex market, you are trading patterns. Patterns. Alright? Oh yes, but Gianpaolo and John, don't compare yourself to professional traders. ATR times 2 and stochastic and MACD. Those guys are 20 years plus in the markets. Make sense? 90% of traders lose money in the financial markets worldwide. Worldwide, my English, worldwide. Do you believe 90% of world population, doctors, lawyers, movie stars are stupid? Architect, Uber drivers, gardeners, do you believe all of these people are stupid? Douglas is going to say yes. Douglas, shut up. You know, 90% of world population, USA, Jamaica, Canada, Finland, Croatia, Australia, New Zealand, Philippines, Korea, you know, Brazil, Latin America, Alaska, 90% of world population lose. Make sense, everybody? Do you believe that everybody, and you have, I have, in the Forex course, Chuchu, I have doctors, lawyers, army men, I have one movie star trying to be a trader. What's the secret? Well, we are all the same. Me too, back in time, we don't listen. You know, we are trying to invent hot water, right? We are not coachable. But you're going to see in 2 to 5 years. Melissa, maybe not smart for missing the course, including me. Everybody, if you want consistency, right? If you want consistent result, you must come to the Forex course 202. Period, end of story. Forex course 202, it's when if you want consistent result. So you know, you are not maybe a beginner, but you are intermediate, and you know, you make money but you lose money, but make money and lose money. So you are not consistent, right? You have no consistency. Let me brag a little bit about my results back in time, you know. But the course, so if you are trying to get this consistency, see in here, positive month, negative month, right? You know, negative month, and then profitable, 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 profitable. 2015, see in here, demo account, right? If I was doing this on demo account for 2 years, 2016, profitable, 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 alright? You must come to the Forex course 202. But it's not going to help you, alright? Unless you are coachable. Does this make sense? I'm not sure it's the year 2023, 2004, but you know, not everybody, of course, but a lot of people not coachable. Not coachable. You know, I have a student who is telling me every lesson, you know, teacher, you are wrong. Not judging anybody. This is homeostasis. You know? Anyways, moving forward. Can you see, Sandy, what you're doing? It's your broadcast on TradingView. Yeah, I need to get back on TradingView too, sure. Hopefully next week. Hopefully. Alright, hopefully next week. Sandy, what are we going to do with your stop loss? And in the meantime, everybody type in the chat, do you want to trade USD CAD or do you want to trade any other currency pairs? If you are, exactly, if you are not trading patterns And if you are not, this is why I'm telling Dukascopy, we should charge you, everybody. Make sense? We should really charge you for these webinars, because you are taking too lightly. Not everybody, fair enough, but most of, me too back in time, or most of us, right? Oh, it's just a webinar, it's just a stream, you know. We should really charge in order for you to learn. So, if you are not reading patterns, and if you do not put the stop loss on the pattern, you are not coachable on the Forex course 101, makes sense? You are trying something else. Make sense, everybody? Boss, is it wrong for me to try something else? No, it's not, but it doesn't work. Can I have manual? Broto, send me an email. Send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. So I was FX Passion 5 years ago, then I was FX Freedom now. Starting last year, we make a pool, which nickname, you know, so, oh, FX Boss. So I'll move stop loss at the appropriate place. Very good. Excellent. We're going to move Broto Sandy stop loss. I'm not sure how to do this. Back in time it was just... Oh, there you go. Alright. All good. Now we have an issue, don't we? We have an issue. What's the issue? I'm going to help you. What's the issue right now with Sandy's trade? That's the risk. And that's the reward. We have an issue to solve, right? And remember, everybody who is trading USD CAD, who is trading the CAD, you have news event on Friday. Alright? Risk reward not favorable, then I would trade with reduced risk or not take this trade at all. Sandy, why wouldn't me and you increase the take profit, huh? How this sounds? Would it be wrong for us to increase the take profit, Sandy? Would this be wrong? See, everybody, how easy it is to work hard but in a wrong way. Can you see it? Same entry, but somebody is going to have an aggressive stop, a short stop, a numeric stop. Is going to have a tight take profit, whatever. Somebody else is going to have the stop loss at the appropriate stop loss level, which is the pattern, and is going to go 1 for 2. But there is a pivot point, so what? Alright, everybody. 136 to 50, alright. Give me a second. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Give me a second. You are all afraid, right? Give me a second, so... Coordinates 1.36250. Alright, very good. Everybody listen up, alright? Now this is the lesson. What is better in terms of probability to have my trade like this, which was the initial trade of Sandy's, or like so? Is the first circle better in terms of probabilities, meaning not being stopped out, or is the second circle better in terms of probabilities? One is speculation, the other one is not. Which circle, probability wise, is not a speculative trade. No, I'm not speculating. I'm doing something technical that makes sense. It's pure logic. And which one it's a speculative trade? I'm trading from what I think is going to happen, and I'm trading from what it might happen. Which one? Yesterday I kicked a trader out of my trading desk because he was speculating. First one is better. Very good. Applause to Sandy. You got it. Make sense? This one, the small one, it doesn't really matter if you win or you lose. You know, you are taking chances. It's speculation. Make sense? This one, if you are trading an uptrend and the market stops you out on the uptrend, pat yourself on the back. You didn't do anything wrong. Does this make sense, Melissa? You must learn not to speculate, traders or analysts, right? You're far away from being a trader yet, if you're listening to me. If I'm your coach, for the first year you are an analyst, junior analyst as a matter of fact. And then in the Forex course 202, you're going to learn how to become a senior analyst and possibly a trader. Alright? A good analyst is not necessarily a good trader, but a good trader, it's always also a good analyst. Alright? So, boss, how do we know if we speculate? You might write this down, everybody, not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform. Every time, let's write this down, right? It's a recording, we are going to have a recording on YouTube. Alright, so give me a second. Every time that my trade doesn't make sense technically, alright, doesn't make sense technically. So entry setup, trade management, exit setup, I am speculating. Professional traders don't speculate. Yes, they do. No, they don't. No, they don't. Alright, everybody? No, they don't. Speculation means that you don't know what you are doing. Make sense? Take a screenshot, photo, picture, whatever, type in the chat done. Every time that my trade doesn't make sense technically, entry setup, trade management setup, or exit setup, I'm speculating. This is the definition. So if I'm trading the violet uptrend, and there is, and I put my stop loss here, because stop loss goes on the pattern traded, I am speculating. Make sense? And I'm limiting my take profit to the pivot point. Make sense? I am speculating. Oh, but there is a pivot point. There is, but how do you know that the market is going to reverse? We should really charge. Everybody listen up, okay? You have two traders, alright? And it's going to take some time. It's all good, don't worry. You have two traders. You have trader number one. And give me a second. Alright. And then you have trader number two. Alright? So After both of them put the stop loss in the appropriate level and the stop loss goes on the pattern traded, the trader number one, which was Sandy, hopefully we are learning, Sandy, Sandy is going to put the stop loss at the pivot point, and there is, fair enough, there is. Sandy is going to put the stop loss, take profit at the pivot point because he thinks the market is going to react. Does this make sense? I'm going to put the take profit at the specific level because I think that the market might reverse. Can we understand this? It's a belief. It's not a fact, it's a belief. Trader number two is going to put the take profit 1 per 2, so it's going to be different than trader number one, and is going to look at the trade, and if and when, and this is the difference, and if and when the market crowns or changes direction, then he or she is going to get out. Trader number one is speculating. Trader number two has a different take profit target, but he's acting on facts. Wow, right? Somebody type, wow. Isn't this great information? This session is worth rewatching 2 or 3 times if you ask me. If you're a beginner trader, this is worth downloading and rewatching. Boss, can you repeat again? When we speculate, we tend to maybe not enter, but we tend to put take profit levels and stop loss level based on what we think, based on what we believe. So there is a pivot point, and we get emotionally scared because we're looking at all the different charts and we say, oh my gosh, the market reacted in here, oh my gosh, the market reacted here. So logically you think, oh my gosh, the market is going to react up in here. So you automatically lower the take profit. Make sense? Because, but this is what you must understand. You are doing this because you believe something is going to happen, not that it is going to happen. Meaning, a professional trader trades from what he or she sees. Is trading based on facts, it's factual. The beginner trader, analyst, or an intermediate analyst, it's trying to understand this skill. And there is another door to open, it's emotions, We must understand and accept, alright, I'm emotional when I trade, so emotions are doing this, Fear of losing money is going to put my take profit here. Or FOMO, fear of missing out. Anyway, I'm speculating, I'm trading from what I think is going to happen. I'm trading from my beliefs. This one is going to do the correct process. Trader number 2 is following a correct formula. Success in trading, it's a formula. It's not a fantasy, it's a formula. But you must be coachable to the point that you follow through the formula. Make sense? It's no different than losing weight. Losing weight, it's a formula. Making money, it's a formula. Having good relationships, it's a formula. Success, it's a formula. And trading, it's a formula too. So it's going to enter the same entry, but he's not going to limit. He's going to do the right thing. What is the right thing? If I'm risk one, I need to make 2. Oh, but there is a pivot point. I know. I'm going to monitor the trade. And if in any case the market reverses, then I'm out. But if the market doesn't react at the pivot point area and goes up 50, 20 or 200 pips, I'm going to capture all of this money. Make sense, everybody? And if the market reverses up in here because it's a pivot point area, look how different is this trade in profit, everybody. Can you see it? Can you see it? Type in the chat, YouTubers too. Yes, I can see it. There is a big difference, you know. Can you see it? How different is this trade one from another? Boss, I don't get it. One is speculating, the other is acting based on what the market is doing. Make sense? Now, if this is clear, if you can see the difference in profit, think about times 100 trades. And you have a trading life or trading lifestyle or the trading year or trading month. It is okay to lose money in such a trade if the price reacts very sharply at the pivot point. You are not going to lose if your stop loss is at the appropriate place. But it's a big difference. Alright, everybody, so anybody else want to trade USD CAD or do you want other currency pairs? Let me show you how I kicked out everybody clone chart. CHF, JPY. Let me show you how I kicked out a trader from my desk. Daily chart. We didn't learn crowns yet, but I have a trader this morning and he was shorting a crown. Alright? He shorted the market. What I'm going to tell you is counterintuitive, alright? But try to learn. I had a trader this morning shorting this crown and I kicked him out of the trading desk. Guess why? Some students are already typing, but the market is falling. Yes, it is. Why did I kick the trader out? We have a policy in the trading desk. You are learning, no big deal. First warning, second warning, third warning, you are out. This is how it goes. Warning on the same issue, right? So you're speculating, first warning, you're speculating again, second warning, you're speculating again, third warning, fourth time you're speculating, out. Go back to Forex course 101 or go back to Forex course 202 when you are learning how to be emotionally stable. Win-loss ratio, no. Everybody, let's do an exercise. Analyze CHF JPY in any way you want. Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour. And tell me, how do you know that this market is going to fall? Tell me, how do you know? This was this morning, so we can go on the... We can go 4 hours back, right? So this was this morning, right? And... Oh, but the market is going his way. All good. So this was the entry. And if I do stop loss above the pattern, of course, this was not a problem. And if I go 1 per 2, 1 per 2, right? And I go back to the daily. You know, tell me, how do you know that this market, analyze in any possible way, it's up to you. How do you know that this market is going to fall to the take profit? And type in the YouTubers too, please type in the chat, I don't know, or there is nothing that tells me that this market is going to fall. You can type I have no clue, or if you find anything that is telling you that this market is going to fall, type in the chat. You can go to CHF JPY monthly chart and tell me, you can zoom in and zoom out and tell me what is telling you that this market is going to fall on the daily. And then you can do the same on the weekly. You can zoom out or you can zoom in, you know, and tell me what is telling you that this market is going to fall. And then you go on the daily. You go on the daily and you can zoom out as much as you want. You can put trend lines if you want, do whatever you like, what it pleases you, or you can zoom in, you know, and tell me what is telling you on the chart that this market is going to fall. Is market wave dominantly up from monthly? Yes, it is. There is no sign of weakness of the hard time frames. Exactly. So if I short the market, you know, and so the trader, I kicked him out, all right, but he would be winning so far, agreed? You know, is this a skill? Is this a skill? Does the trader know what he's doing? Or is this luck, meaning I'm trading based on pure speculation? I'm shorting I mean, there is a crown, like there is a pivot point, right? There is a pivot point, there is a crown, there is double top, on whatever, support, resistance, you know? So there is a crown, yes there is. But what is the logic behind, meaning how do you know that this crown is going to work out? Make sense? Do you have any convergences, do you have any reasons that is telling you, oh, this market is going to reverse because this and this and that? Because if the answer is no, this is a purely speculation trade. And there you have the winner-loser cycle. If you are speculating, of course you are going to have winner-loser, 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 loser, winner, 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 lucky, loser, winner, loser. Make sense? Your trading has no structure. What does this mean? No strategy, no logic. Melissa, speculation market will go against its market wave. Sandy, if I have to speculate again, then it could be that the price is touching the upper band and may reverse anytime. See the word? It may. It may. You know? Can you make money based on, oh, it may reverse, it might reverse? Can you make money consistently based on it might go up, it might go down? Is this the correct way to go? So the lesson today, everybody, is I mean, it's a skill, right? But try not to speculate. Try not to speculate. Try not to speculate on the entry. Try not to speculate on the direction. This is a speculation direction. Make sense? Try not to speculate on the exits. Try to make it all technical and logical. Does this make sense? Please address send this recognition that it could be reaching the top. Please address send recognition that it could be reaching the top. Everybody, let's make a poll, alright? Alright. Is this the top of CHF JPY? Yes or no? Is this the top of CHF JPY? Your view. We're not talking about views, everybody. We're talking about don't speculate. Make sense? Are we at the upper band on CHF JPY? Type in the chat. Yes, we are. Type in chat. No, we are not. Depending on the history. We are missing the point. We are missing the point. But alright. We are missing the point. But alright. CHF, JPY. Trading view this time. Trading view. You know, are we at the monthly band? Yes or no? Are we at the monthly band? Even further up? Happens time to time? Shola, no. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. I'm not sure if another data provider, ICE, it's the biggest one. So there, let me find maybe 8 cap? No. Capital.com? No, even worse. Black Bull? Whoa. Pepperstone? No. Alright, so that's it, everybody. Agreed? According to that, yes. Alright. So, should we just short the market? I mean, if I short the market, you know, what is telling you that this market is going to fall? Type in the chat. Oh, the downtrend is telling me that it's going to fall. The down market wave is going to tell me that it's going to fall. The crown on the monthly or the weekly, which is going to confirm the short-term trend on the daily, is telling me that it's going to fall. Downtrend lines are telling me that it's going to fall. Bearish candlestick formation on the monthly is telling me that. Tell me what is telling you that this market is going to fall. Maybe we are going to be in a new upper range, or never know. We're missing the point. One of my traders was shorting a crown on the daily chart, and he got the 4th warning. I kicked him out of the trading desk. Exactly. Applause to Melissa. Nothing is telling you that this market is going to fall. Absolutely zero. Do we agree on that? So, is it wrong to short? Yes, it's wrong. A professional trader would never short this market right now. No, I'm not talking about scalping. I'm talking about the long-term direction, alright? Don't mix now apples with bananas, you know, so because we are here, we are in a rain, you know, you are smart, right? Trying to be smart, you know. Oh, not true. All right, this is a range on CHFJPY, and or, you know, and somebody is playing around, but still, you know, if you are trading this pattern, that's okay. But trading this pattern, shorting up in here or buying down here, so playing the consolidation, this is something different than shorting the crown on the daily. Make sense? Those two ways of doing are totally different. Why, boss? Why? Because the take profit of the crown is down in here. That's why. You know, if you go one per, even if you go 1 per 1, does this make sense? No, it doesn't. Every time that my trade doesn't make sense technically, either entry setup, either trade management, either exit setup, I am speculating. Oh yes, but period, end of story. Nothing show the market in range, no, alright. Alright everybody, that being said, let's put you into business, alright? Join my daily trading desk through my partners in order to learn how to trade like a professional trader and manage risk effectively. And I'm talking, you know, for free, alright? Are you happy? Broto, are you happy? For free. Join my daily trading desk for free. Okay, everybody? Let the partners pay for your education, alright? So you can join the trading desk for free through trading.com, or today we're going to talk more about Darwin X Zero, right? Broto, are you here, Broto? If you are from Thailand, Nigeria, Philippines, Brazil, Darwin X Zero, if you open a Darwin X Zero account with the code Beat the Blues, you are going to get my ebook, The Forex Trader Mindset, for free. Send me a Gmail after you open the account, and if you open with the code FXBoss20, you get the book plus you get the trading sessions for free until you are subscribed, alright? But in order to get the benefit, you must send me an email with your real name and tell me that you saw the offer on Dukas Copy Academy stream on YouTube. Alright, so you go to Google and you say Darwin X Zero. You click on Darwin X Zero. Alright. Now, and you go, of course, you go to sign up. Before we go to sign up, everybody, you click on capital allocation. Alright. Darwin X is an asset manager and is going to give you 30,000 euros live money once you get your rating to 75. What does this mean? Here you have calculate your rating. Alright? Let's say that I made 1% this month. Example. Let's say that I made 10% cumulatively in the last 5 months. And let's say that I lost 5% drawdown during the last 6 months. So I can play around here with numbers. I'm going to calculate. See my rating 80. As soon as I get to 80, bam, they're going to give me 30,000 live account. Alright, so this is, you must come to 75 and then you get the live account with 30,000 euros. They are from Europe, yes sir. Sign up. Sign up. Give it a second. So choose now Forex. Alright, MetaTrader, alright, just an example. Where is the price? Where is the price? I have a disc. So here you, if you put beat the blues, and apply, instead of you paying 95 euros, you are going to pay 65, right? Can you see it? But if you write FXBoss20, apply, you are going to pay 10 euros more. It's going to go from 65 to 75. Right? And later you have 38 euros per month brutto, or everybody else. It's 38 euros per month, so it's doable even if you're in Philippines, Brazil, Nigeria. Alright? 38 euros is not that much money, isn't it? It's doable, exactly. Alright? So it doesn't really matter what code you put in here. If you're going to put Beat the Blues, I will give you my ebook, the Forex Trader Mindset, for free. If you put FXBoss20 and pay 10 euros more, then you are going to be in the trading sessions for free. Alright? Until you keep, until this is running, alright? 38 per month. Alright? Otherwise, you have DarwinX. It's more suitable for beginner traders, right? Trading.com, it's more for advanced, Here you have no rules, nobody is looking at you, watching at you. Alright? But here you can get to the $1 million. And now you have the stages, alright? But this account requires to put down $1,000 minimum. Alright? Never forget, it's your account, it's on your name. This is not prop trading, you're not buying anything, alright? So this is $1,000 account, $1,000, 10,000 live account. This one costs you maybe 75 and then 38 per month. Alright? Anything else? DarwinX Zero is more suitable for beginner traders. If you are not skilled yet, you can lose your 1,000, you can draw down, burn the account. So the downside of DarwinX is 38 euros. This is the good point. Make sense? Boss, would you help me? I'm helping you every day in the trading desk. Alright? I'm showing you what I'm doing. This is the weekly plan. Prediction, see, shorting AUD-CAD, staying out on AUD-CHF, JPY, NZD, shorting AUD-USD, and so on and so on and so on. Can you see it? Sure, I'm trying to help you, exactly. Alright everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and build a business like a boss, right? And in the meantime, everybody, if you have questions about trading.com or DarwinX Zero, send me an email, alright? Don't be shy, we're all the same. Alright? I'm like you.